Hey, I'm Brian Sain. I've been a police officer 33 years in Texas and founding director of AmericanSnipers.org. I grew up shooting in Texas. I've had a gun in my hand since I was literally 1 year old. I got photos of me as a baby with a shotgun in my hand. And then that's not uncommon in the rural areas of Texas. We grew up hunting, and as a young man, I competed. I shot competitions quite a bit. And then when I rolled into law enforcement, it was just a natural progression to go be a firearms instructor, and then, and even further than that to get on the SWAT team, and then even further than that to get on the sniper team. I've been teaching snipers pretty much all my career. I've been a sniper qualified, a peace officer since 1991. I'm fortunate to have lived in a time when a lot of the snipers from the Vietnam War, those guys coupled with the modern day guys that served in Iraq and Afghanistan, I've got a broad base of information and knowledge that comes from those people. And I'm able to bring that to bear in my instruction for police officers as well. I'm here in Ohio at the Ohio Tactical Officers Association Conference, one of the biggest tactical officer conferences in the nation. And it's set up entirely for the benefit of the officers to learn. Everything from K9 handlers to snipers to entry guys, every specific function of a SWAT team and anything surrounding it. There are specific classes with subject matter experts from all across the nation in those disciplines. And guys can choose from numerous classes throughout this week-long conference to make them better police officers. I've been a SWAT officer since 1991. Currently not on the team, but served for almost 20 years on the SWAT team. We have a saying in our sniper competitions that the last place finisher today may save somebody's life tonight. So, we train to a really, really high level, and we put a lot of demands on our students because the job is demanding, and that's what the public demands. We try to impress upon these guys, operating in that environment, there's no room for error. A police sniper cannot miss, because if we miss, hostages are being sought, or positions are being compromised, and you're giving latitude to the bad guy that, number one, he doesn't deserve, and number two, there's probably going to cost someone their life. So we can't miss. It's just as simple as that. Miss is a four-letter word.